You doing the big whale eyes, are you? Hmm? I don't think people want to see this. Hey, don't be a perv. I would like to get a close-up of that eye if I could. Hmm? You can say hi? Hmm? He's got a cut on his eye. With this stupid reflection. Light in here. We've had a pretty boring day today. Haven't we? This is what we've been doing. Rock's usually in here comforting him. He hasn't really left his side. But when Rock needs his time, then it's I punch in and I come and stay in bed with him. I wish they could just tell you what's wrong. But again, he's not coughing. He's just acting like this. Anybody that knows Apollo knows this dog is not going 24/7. So I'm going to give him another day. Oh, hey, buddy. And if he's still like this, we'll head down to see Dr. Derek, see what's going on. Maybe he'll give him a different kind of antibiotic or run some blood work, who knows. But it's sad. Breaks my heart. Alright, we'll let you rest, buddy.